Hello, children. Have a happy Sunday. Hope you all are doing great. Today, we are going to talk about how to express your preference. Prefer. Let's start with this word. What does it mean? It means to say you like one thing more than the other. That is to prefer or to choose. Now I am going to talk with one of my students and let's know what does he choose or prefer. Do you prefer ice cream or chocolate?
I prefer ice cream to chocolate.
Nice. Here I prefer ice cream to chocolate. It means that ice cream is his first choice and chocolate is his second choice. Here you can also say, I prefer ice cream better than chocolate. Now, let's have a look of second question. Do you prefer playing cricket or football?
I prefer playing football.
Nice. Next one, we have different structure. Would you rather enjoy a train journey or a bus journey?
I prefer bus journey.
You can as well say, I would rather enjoy bus journey. Now everybody, let's have a look at these questions and his answers in more detail. How did he talk about his preferences and how did we ask? When we ask about someone's preferences, we go with the verb prefer. So, do you prefer this or that? So we can have two nouns. Do you prefer ice cream or chocolate? Here, I prefer ice cream to chocolate, or I prefer ice cream better than chocolate. So after prefer, you have a noun to another noun or noun better than another noun. Then next, we are talking about playing cricket or football. So he prefers playing. So after prefer, there is a verb play goes with an ing. So if you have the verb prefer and there is a verb following, it is always with an ing. So he prefers playing football. Then the last thing to talk about is would rather. What does would rather mean? It is used to talk about someone's preferences. So you can say, I prefer playing football, or another thing, auxiliary verb, we can use I would rather play football. Here I prefer playing football, but if we use would rather, we just put only the verb one. Okay, I would rather play football. So these sentences mean exactly the same, but they have only different structure. Okay, now we have some conversation. First, between Bikram and Vikas about my choice of food. What shall we have? Let's have a look at the menu. Would you like to have vegetarian or non-vegetarian food? I would prefer vegetarian food. Fine, I will also have vegetarian food. Which ice cream would you like to have? Vanilla or pista? I like vanilla better than pista, but I prefer pista to vanilla. Okay, as you say. The next about my choice of dress. And this conversation is between mother and a daughter. Which dress did you like? The yellow or the pink one? I like the pink dress better than the yellow one. But you have so many dresses in pink. Why don't you buy the yellow dress? I leave the choice to you. You know better. Okay, I will buy both the dresses for you. Thank you, mummy. The next conversation about walking is my choice. And this one between father and Son. The Indira Park is just 2 kilometers away from here. We can either walk or to take an auto. What do you say? Either way, the choice is yours. Well, I would prefer to walk. Good, we will do that. So, children, that's all for today. Practice the conversation and use it in your daily life. Keep learning. Thank you.